say you want to treat someone to an escape room type of situation, but maybe they can't leave the house because they're tracked, ankle bracelet, I don't know. And you want to give them a gift, but you want to make it a bit challenging for them. They like puzzles. You can make them a puzzle box. This puzzle, for instance, is made it a couple of years ago. It's got random bits of wood glued to it. I'm pretty sure most of this is held together with hot glue. But how do you open it? There's no hinge. Just a bit springy. There's screws holding the top in, and one's quite proud. Have a little look around. Random shonkily put together legs. But I wonder, one of these has a secret screwdriver in it. Unscrew. Box has absolutely nothing in it currently, but put it back together, no one's the wiser. This is just tension locked in. Yeah. What else we got up here? There's absolutely nothing special about this. It's one of those, you know, till boxes. But you could hide this somewhere completely different. That's a puzzle. Let me shut up. This was for a buried treasure game that I did. It's pretty scratchily put together, and then it's just been weathered with shoe polish and spray paint and dirt. If you look right there at the eye, this came with a eye patch and a whole set of directions for a little stroll through our garden. And the eye patch contained a magnet. I don't have the eye patch anymore, it's gone to a better home, but I do have this tweeter, blown out tweeter speaker, which is a magnet, and you would just go boop. Open. Hello. I mean, if you pinch it hard enough, you can get the whole thing out, but kids, you know, kids. Now, I'm going to turn this giant box into something for the escape room for me. Please consider making something for you. Always buy reasonable quality locks, because shit ones break. That did not go in the bin. not going to show you too much because you might be doing this. You might be doing this escape room, so no spoilers.